Thinking about an aluminum fence? Let's explore the pros and cons. Pro 1. Durability. Aluminum is resistant to rust and weather, lasting for years. Pro 2. Low maintenance. No painting or staining needed, just occasional cleaning. Pro 3. Versatility. Available in various styles and colors to match any landscape. Con 1. Cost. Aluminum can be more expensive than wood or chain link options. Con 2. Strength. While durable, aluminum can be less sturdy than steel options. Con 3. Privacy. Aluminum fences typically offer less privacy compared to solid options. Weigh these pros and cons to see if an aluminum fence is right for you. If you need professional help, contact us at 781-767-3596 or in our website. If you enjoyed the video, like, subscribe, and press the bell button for more fencing tips.